Affiliate marketing made easy, top tips from the pros. Affiliate marketing can be an important part of your online presence. You need to do all of your research so that you don't wind up losing a ton of money or even losing customers and traffic to your website. There are some tips listed below to help you begin doing this properly. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven and you should find what works best for you. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy. Do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. Good affiliates are those that communicate with their partners. Beyond automated systems, FAQ pages and resource databases, an affiliate that offers rapid person-to-person conversation is going to be much easier to work with. Webmasters should recognize the value of such individual communication. An affiliate that responds immediately and personally to questions will ultimately be a better partner than one that is hard to communicate with. Be honest in your advertising as an affiliate. We all have the urge to talk things up and to let colorful rhetoric do the selling, but that's really old hat on the internet. Most people are aware of fluff pieces and what they're seeking today is honest information about how a product is good for them. Be honest and you will do much better. Affiliate marketing can be very rewarding, but it can also be a lot of work. Regardless, if you know what to do and how to market smarter, you can make bigger profits. So, do yourself a favor by doing your research and applying the above tips to your affiliate marketing. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.